Back to news here in mid-Missouri. A study suggests high exposure to a chemical found in mainly plastic items can be linked to developmental delays in children. KOMU8's Carla Valcourt is here in the studio with more on a study that started with turtles.
A researcher with the Bond Life Sciences Center conducted a study that suggests that water poses a risk for turtles and for all of us.
Essentially, if the turtles are being exposed to it through the water, so are we.
That's what Dr. Rosenfeld said about contamination from BPA products. Bisphenol A is a chemical found in many plastics that becomes a contaminant to drinking water. She and other researchers study how developmental exposure to BPA could affect brain development in painted turtles.
Those who are exposed to bisphenol A acted more like females than males, in the sense they exhibit enhanced spatial navigational abilities.
But the study has a larger significance.
There indeed are a fair amount of behavioral problems, attention deficit disorders, aggression, and even potentially autism has been linked to early exposure to BPA.
Rosenfeld said there isn't an easy fix to the problem.
You can say, well, you're purifying it. You're not, because you cannot take BPA out of the water. It is in the water.
She also says BPA-free items are misleading.
Those ones that are made with our BPA-free actually have what we can call BPS or BPF, and they don't tell you this.
Rosenfeld recommends consumers buy glass items instead of plastics. Carla Valcourt, KOMU8 News, Columbia. The study was part of an ongoing study over the last several years. Reporting in the studio, Carla Valcourt, KOMU8 News.
Another study